In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your LinkedIn profile private and only accessible to logged-in users. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to log into LinkedIn. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you arrive at the homepage, sign in using either your email address, or you can choose to log in with your Google or Microsoft account, whichever you prefer. After you're logged in, it's time to open the settings. To do this, look for the Me icon at the top of your homepage. This icon typically displays your profile picture. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu where you need to select Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and click that option to access your settings. You should now find yourself on the Settings page. To adjust the visibility of your profile, focus on the left-hand side of this page. Here, you'll see a section labeled Visibility. Click on it to proceed to the visibility options for your profile. Next, we'll edit your public profile. Within the Visibility section, look for the option titled Edit Your Public Profile. You'll see a button or link that says Change next to it. Go ahead and click that. This action will open a new page that shows you how your profile currently appears to the public, meaning to people who are not logged into LinkedIn. This is an important step because you want to ensure that your profile isn't public. Look for a setting called Your Profile's Public Visibility, located on the right-hand side of the page. This setting controls whether or not your profile is viewable by people who aren't signed into LinkedIn. To keep your profile private, simply toggle this option to off. Once you click it, that means your profile will no longer be visible to search engines or to individuals who are not logged into LinkedIn. This is a crucial change if you wish to maintain a higher level of privacy on the platform. Congratulations! You've successfully made your LinkedIn profile private and restricted access to logged-in users only. This means that your professional information is now safeguarded from the general public, providing you with added peace of mind. Before we wrap up, remember that maintaining your privacy on platforms like LinkedIn can be really beneficial, especially if you're concerned about who sees your professional accomplishments or network connections. So do check these settings periodically, as platforms often update their privacy policies and features. Thank you for watching this tutorial on adjusting your LinkedIn profile settings. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this. See you next time.